So hi guys, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can use Canva to edit your videos, and also you can use it to edit and generate a quick thumbnail for your YouTube videos. Here in this video, I'm going to discuss about that. While discussing, I also am going to practice about speaking on any topic for 1 minute, as this is a English speaking channel. So I will quickly jump in and show you how we can do it without any delay. So once you are logged in into the Canva application itself, you have to go to the home page. This is the home page. This is how it will be visible to you. You have to click on here near the Canva AI. Here you have to give the idea that I want to create an template, not template, I think we call it thumbnail for YouTube, where I am showing how to use Canva and create automatic YouTube thumbnail. So just hitting this prompt and enter. Once uh, the AI got how we what I'm looking for, so it has given me a few ideas. So I really like this one. I'll click here. I'll click on color if I want to change the color palette. This color looks great. I'll just use Canva editor. So Canva tutorial, I don't want this series. Create YouTube thumbnails. I just want to add one YouTube logo, so I'll go to elements and here I'll type YouTube. So I'll get one YouTube logo. I'll just quickly add it here. So I think I'm done with my Canva template. I'll just quickly download it. PNG, I'll make it max and I will download it. So this is how you can create a Canva, what we call Canva YouTube thumbnail, and or any other design which whatever you want to add. I'll just add page and we'll go to design. So here we have in other designs or other design options. I can use this human figure. I can remove. I can copy all this. So this also looks great, amazing. This is my channel name. I'll remove this video for now. I'll add any other video elements. YouTube I'll add, and I think we'll add one YouTube tablet like this, something like this. So I have already searched YouTube in mobile. This can work, I think. So for this I'm using Canva Premium, but if you don't have Premium, it's a very cheap price, 140 rupees. So this I generally use for my office purpose, but you can use here. You go to layer, send it backwards, so it will go behind this white button. I'll just make it backward again, send backward. I think it has gone. Yeah, it has gone. Or else I don't like this element over here. I will add this. Yeah, the background place I want to. Okay, this is not the one. This one I want to just decrease the transparency. This one will come here. Create using YouTube thumbnails using AI in 6 minutes. I'll little bit decrease the size. So see, I'm not a very good designer, but this is what you can get in around few minutes. For sure, we'll try to learn some uh, like it is not a good a very good design which I'm for sure I also don't like this design, but this is the basic design which you can generate from Canva in around few minutes. Also, this is a walkthrough of how you can. So I've got two. I don't. This is looking good. Generate YouTube thumbnails using AI in 6 minutes. So this is all grouped together. You just need to click on group, and this you can drag it here. Once done, I'll just try to see. No. Yeah, so I think this looks very nice. So you just need to try, and I think it is very nice. I will just download it quickly. To download, just click here. I want in PNG, I want just the second page. So I'll click here and I will download into the high resolution. So that's it. That was a basic tutorial of how to use Canva and design basic thumbnail using AI. Thank you for being in this video. We'll see you again in next video.